Hey there, this is Sanjay, and I'm going to talk about how I scaled up my Pinterest from 0 to 410k impression in a year. Alright, so this all started during the COVID time where I'm bored, I was bored, and there was nothing to do. Then I was like, I need to do something. So the thing came to my mind is something like I was very demotivated or sitting in the home, ideal, there is nothing to do. So the first thing came to my mind, okay, Pinterest. Let me go and create something new, which I never touched upon because I'm not a good person in terms of art or creating something out of canvas or designing something. So I thought, okay, this is my weak point. So let me try something creating a quotes where people can, you know, read it and kind of motivate themselves on a day-to-day basis. So I just started doing it. Um, so initially, I was not sure about how the ad works, why Pinterest is useful, and how it can help you if you have a business or if you have a website or blog or your personal branding. So I do realize that okay, Pinterest gives you a lot of conversions in terms of if you have a website, you're selling something on a day-to-day life, or if you have a website you're selling a product, then Pinterest is the right option for you to generate organic traffic. Now the thing is like eventually this I have noticed that the numbers started staggering around. It became 38 k per views in a month, which is pretty good in terms of this. And the best part, you can monetize this, and you can even run ads on this, and you can even convert your visitors through your website. So now I started doing the website conversion, and I can see a potential good number of people coming to the website through the motivation codes or whatever it is. So for you to get started, I would say have some template. So let me know in the comment box if you need a template, because I'm going to send you my template for free. So it's maybe I can just show you a demo on how I do things. Okay. So this is my Canva, and I basically work on the existing designs or whatever. So let me go and show you how I work. So you don't need a Canva Pro for this. If you're using an external images, if you're using an internal library or images which Canva is provided, then you might need to have one. So I use kind of a template. So if you would like to have this template, let me know. I'm happy to give you this template to you. So this is basically a template where you can create the Canva design or whatever it is. So I do have around 100 templates over here. Let me know in the comment box. I will DM you this template. So what I basically try to add is like try to add these images over here and try to expand this. And there is like a layer which kind of provide more, not that bright thing, kind of aesthetic for the quotes thing, whatever it is. So that's it. I just downloaded this in my thing, and I use that scheduler. So which is basically I don't go daily on update on my Pinterest. So I basically use a scheduler. I use Publer for this. So if you want to try this for free, I have provided the link in the blog and below the video. So just have a look into it. So now what you need to do is basically like go and schedule. For example, if you look into my calendar, I have scheduled every Pinterest for a month. You can see till the end of August, I have already scheduled the Pinterest. The best part is something like consistency. The algorithm looks at how often you post and how often you engage with your user. So if you have a good quality content, it's much better. But if you have something beyond the quality content, I meant to say that something a consistency, a quality content, and the interaction with the users. These all are factors when you decide on a platform or any respective platform when you want to grow. So the thing is like consistency. Keep on doing that thing, and eventually you will get it there. So what I do is like I create a post. For example, maybe I can just show you a demo over here. So maybe I just post this one. Okay, this is not an image. Maybe probably an image. You have a different type of tools available for free. So you can basically connect with it, or you can drag and drop any kind of images from your library, right? It works. For example, let me upload this one. And what I need to do is like connect to your social media accounts. You can use multiple social media accounts over here, and you can tag something over here. You can type my post or my post, and you can select your image media. This is a media option which will automatically select the media, place to visit, whatever it is. then you can schedule the time, and or either you can publish it. So this way, without any effort on a everyday basis, you go and update the things, the Pinterest will automatically update it over here. So let me know if you want the links of the scheduler for free, and also the template which I'm using it for free. Then the next thing is you have to track and you have to post things, and you have to understand why it's important these days. For example, you can see the graph over here. Eventually it's growing up and down, but I would say maybe around 1,000 views per month, that is more likely. But it kind of shooted up over here where I'm getting more like 38k impressions per month, which is pretty huge, I would say. Then you can see the outbound clicks, because I just recently, maybe 1 week back or 2 weeks back, I started doing the outbound links where I can get the users to my website to buy things or whatever it is. So that's how things works. So I would say consistent posting, maybe 1 to 2 posts per day, that pretty much work. And if you're focusing on something, kind of try to find your niche, what you want to do. For example, I found my niche, like I want to motivate people if they are giving up in their life or something like that, and if they want to find something. So I have defined my niche as just motivation. So you have to define your niche, what you are and what you want to post. Don't try to mix everything together. Technology post, that's not gonna work well for you. So if you can create a multiple Pinterest account, that's gonna work for you. Yeah, that's pretty much. There is no secret sauce. Just try your best, put there your content, and in the future the content creation is something going to take a lot of easy. I mean, with the AI thing, it's pretty much easy than before. You don't have to design something your own. You can automatically schedule these things. Maybe some agents will be available out there where you can automate the entire process, but at this moment still the scheduling is an automated process, and it's very easy. In 30 minutes you can schedule a content for a month. So yeah, that's how it works. That's how it works for me, and it might work for you as well. So all you need to do is consistency, and as I told you, the couple of the templates which I'm using, and the scheduler which I'm using. Let me know if you need it. I will give you in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.